So I got the emtrack AES receiver today, so now I'm going to plug it into the computer and code it and go down to the boat and let's see if we can get this thing to work. And as you can see, here we have it. So I'm going to figure out how to need a program to get it installed here, and so let's go. There we go, it is connected. It was quite easy. Just go and find the installer, Pro AES2, and press connect up here. First time it came with a fault, and then try it again, and then it works now. So I just have to type in ship's name, call sign, MSI number, and it's pleasure craft, and then that should be it. So I got the tools out. I'm just going to take this and just cut this apart here, so we can get the cables ready for the AES. I'm really excited to see if this works. I coded on the computer and I hope it works. We'll find out in some time. And then in the box there's a 1 meter VHF cable. I thought it would be enough for my installation, but I don't think so. So I think I'm going to have to find 2 meters somewhere. But let's see how it fits. Well, this meter is definitely not gonna do it, that's for sure. Let's see if we can get it to work just temporarily, so we can test it out. If the hole is even big enough for it to get through here. So I want the AES box up here. Let's see. That is the Lima 2000. This should be like this, and perfect. And the cable fits, just not those. So. Just going to do this loose now. Then the antenna cable, I'm just going to do a temporary setup here. Let's go see if the small homemade antenna works. So I made a DSC test call to link the radio, and the call was answered, so I hope the signal is good enough. There's no chat on any of the channels, so you can't no, but I'm going to put it on the scan and then you can hear it. Now I'm going to try and turn on the AES box and see what happens. So let's see if there's power in here. Yeah, we got some lights, and what they do, I don't know yet. First time turning it on, so let's see what happens. So I think I got it to work. As you can see, there's a boat right here, but we can go out here and then we can go to there. So it's just a thing. There's a boat there out at Dragør Harbor, and there's a couple of boats here. So I just went on vesselfinder.com, and here we have it. Vera, 2 minutes ago. That is perfect. I only have the Garmin Echo Map for navigation, and that when you push the ship it says unknown information about the ship. Maybe you have to have a bigger version of the Garmin, who knows, maybe a GPS map to get some more information. As I would think so, but I'm going to try to call Garmin and ask them so I know, because maybe I'm thinking about doing a little bit larger Garmin in the other side. Right now I have only in the port side, I'm thinking about doing one on the starboard side, so maybe that should be a GPS map if you could give me some more information, so that would be a little more helpful. It's nice to have AIS now on a VHF also, in case of an emergency. So please don't forget to give a little like and a subscribe. Thank you so much.